Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegan noodles. First, select your preferred type, like rice or wheat noodles. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, adding a small pinch of salt. Carefully add the noodles and cook them for about 3 to 8 minutes, or as directed on the package. Once tender, drain them well. If you're planning to serve them cold, a quick rinse with cold water will keep them from clumping together. Now, let's talk about creating a fantastic vegan sauce. A simple option involves mixing 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and a teaspoon of maple syrup. For a creamier texture, sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, then whisk in 1 cup of vegetable broth and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Don't forget to taste and adjust the seasonings to achieve your perfect balance of flavors. To make your vegan noodle dish a complete meal, load it with vibrant vegetables and satisfying protein. Sauté 1 cup of sliced bell peppers, half a cup of shredded carrots, and 1 cup of broccoli florets until they are tender crisp. For protein, add 4 ounces of cubed tofu or tempeh, perhaps marinated for 30 minutes in soy sauce. Edamame or chickpeas are also excellent additions, providing a hearty and nutritious boost to your dish. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a delicious vegan noodle dish. In a large bowl, gently combine your perfectly cooked noodles with the flavorful sauce, ensuring every strand is coated. Carefully fold in the sautéed vegetables and your chosen protein, mixing just enough to distribute them evenly. For a finishing touch, sprinkle with fresh cilantro, a tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, or a handful of chopped peanuts. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.